Hi everyone, my name is Maxime and I'm Sales Director at Attitude. Today I want to introduce you to one of the best sellers in our household essentials and one of my favorite products, the Nature Bliss All-Purpose Cleaner. It's available in 3 fresh scents like citrus zest, lavender, and pink grapefruit, and also in a fragrance-free option designed for people with skin and fragrance sensitivities. Our mission at Attitude is to create products that have a minimal footprint on our health and the environment. Our products are Eco-Logo certified to ensure they're made under the best manufacturing practices. Plus, they're PETA certified, which means they're never tested on animals and don't contain any animal-derived ingredients. Our containers are made from BPA-free, recyclable, and reusable plastic, so you can clean while caring for the environment. It's made with plant and mineral-based ingredients like saponin, which is a mild but powerful cleansing and foaming agent. It's free of harsh chemicals, preservatives, and unnecessary additives, which are commonly found in mainstream household products. This multi-purpose cleaner is very easy to use. Simply spray and wipe clean. It will leave any surface looking shiny and streak-free. For a deeper clean, let the product sit for a few minutes before wiping it off with a dry or wet cloth. What I love about this product is how versatile it is. It easily removes grease, stains, and oil from any surface around the house, like kitchen counters, tables, or even washroom tiles. You can also use it for your outdoor patio, office, car, gym, or anything else you can think of. My favorite aroma is pink grapefruit. It's very refreshing and will leave your entire house smelling super clean. The bottle comes in compact size, so you can conveniently store it in your kitchen cupboards or under the bathroom sink. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Feel free to browse through our online store. We have a wide range of amazing household and personal care products for the entire family. Happy shopping, and I'll see you next time.